I've been taking a lot of interviews for the data science analytics roles for the last 4 to 5 years. And you know what? 8 out of 10 candidates, they fail in the first round itself. And there are two main reasons. The first one is the fundamentals are not clear. And I think the reason behind this is a lot of people learn this skill set on the job and they don't really follow a dedicated curriculum, a dedicated course to upskill themselves for a data analyst or a data scientist role. They're not really clear with the fundamentals and thus gets rejected in the first round itself. Another major reason is problem solving. Let's say some candidate who crack the first or initial rounds, and the next few rounds are about problem solving skill set of the candidate. And especially with chat GPT and all the generative AI, it is not really hard to write the code. What we really need is the problem solving skill set. And this is where a lot of candidates, majority of the candidates, they are not good at. They mostly dependent on the experience on the work to get this skill set, and still there is no dedicated curriculum, there is no dedicated course to help them do that. So to overcome these issues, we decided to launch Analytics Shiksha, where the objective is not only to work on the fundamentals, talk about why behind everything, but also focus on problem solving skill set, where we come up with a dedicated structural approach to problem solving that helps our candidates to excel in the field of data science analytics. To give you some perspective, I have created a free webinar where I talk about what is the right skill set that we need to land a job in top companies. So if you are serious about your future and data analytics excites you, then you should listen to this webinar. Who knows, it might change the trajectory of your future. Click on the link below to access the webinar. It's completely free and I'm sure you will love it.